Hello everyone. Okay, today I show you one thing that is a very creative idea. This fan is making electricity. You can see at my back over there. It is when the fan is rotation, when they have the wind coming, it will rotate faster. And at the back of the fan, they have the dynamo that generate electricity. When the wind is stronger, the dynamo will be make generate electricity to the battery down there. They have a battery box over there that they can store the battery for night time, because here is in the at the forest, at the mountain, very far from town, and here is the farm. So if we can generate the electricity from the fan, it is very advantage for the farmer that they can make this, and very easy. Just make from a normal wood or anything anything like a steel. You can also do it. So I will show you detail in the next video how they make this one. So feel free to subscribe, and I will show you how to do this one. For right now, the wind is a bit quiet. You can see the tree here. It's no have any motion of the tree. See, it's no wind, but the fan still going slowly, and the electricity is still generating to sell in the battery. So it is very good. If have some wind, it will be very strong fan rotation. So feel free to subscribe, and I will show you step by step how to make free energy from the wind by this fan. Okay, bye.